Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This week's message from the Galactics comes with a question. Do you have all your puzzle pieces? They said, life is a beautiful work of art in the process of creation every day. Like a puzzle box, every piece needed to complete this treasured beauty is provisioned at the time of birth. Some come in and know exactly what the completed piece should look like. Others are born with no idea of the end result because they want to be surprised as each new piece is put into place. And yet others will think they know where every piece should go and exactly what the completed image should be, only to discover that it turns out to be something totally different. In the end, every creation will be exactly what it needed to be for each individual. Thanks to the loving guidance of soul, higher self, and creator source. As any puzzle maker will tell you, the joy of completing a puzzle is in searching out that one hard to find gem and placing it into its spot in the greater picture. The best puzzles are a challenge if they're done well, and yet they're fun at the same time. There's a sense of accomplishment and a little thrill that comes with the placement of each piece. Even before the puzzle is completed, every fitted piece urges us on to the next. Life is really no different. We come into this world complete within ourselves. Energetically, we hold every piece of our greater self to be discovered and used through our free will and life experiences. Puzzle pieces for our grand learning, talents, intuition, and proposed purpose for this life are encoded in the DNA pieces of each individual puzzle. Astrological design, birth and name numbers, and all histories, including past and future lives, bloodlines, cosmic connections, and soul source are in there as well. They help to create a full landscape and give depth to the being that is you. And still there is more to discover in your puzzle box. Connection pieces that may bridge to the unseen inner resources are there. Angels, guides, guardians, soul family, galactic brothers and sisters, gods, goddesses, elementals, and all the unseen assistants not yet named are in the puzzle box you bring into this world with you at birth. If you are feeling that there are puzzle pieces missing for you, we urge you to go within and seek them out. We assure you they are there waiting for you to bring them forth. Call upon them and know that as the master maker of your creation, they will answer that call. You are a glorious being with seen and unseen pieces waiting to be arranged by you as your life progresses forward. What a blessing to live on a free will planet where you can determine how your life will manifest. What a greater blessing to know that we can choose to rearrange the pieces into something different at any moment, changing the future look of the completed piece into something totally new. This is our way of offering an image and process to help you see that you are never fixed or stuck in a predetermined snapshot of life created by someone or some being for you. You are the puzzle maker. You are the one who determines how to arrange thoughts, beliefs, desires, challenges, and blessings into a completed picture. And you have the creative power to decide to change at any time along your own timeline. We are here to remind you of your sovereignty and your ability to affect your life and the world around you. In the dense 3D world, it may seem that you are powerless and subject to the whims of those in control. Nothing could be further from the truth. You are, in fact, in fourth density, where fears and joys swirl around and form into a waking dream or waking nightmare. The choice is yours. Make the determination now to lift your eyes and look to the light. Let it permeate every cell in your body and being, and determine what your life will be in this time. Embrace the feeling of adventure and approach each day as an opportunity to design a magnificent experience. Breathe your light, love frequency into each day, and know that you do have every puzzle piece needed to create the beautiful work of art that is you. This is your purpose, your task, and your joy, and we are always here to support and encourage along the way. Well, that's it for this week. If you have a question or a topic for the Galactics to address, drop me a line in the comments and I'll be happy to tune in. This month I'm starting a 4-week course called The Foundation. Check out the details below for this and other offerings. Until next time, I wish you many, many blessings.